currently in the market also have a lot of intern. They are looking for the business development position. So what are your top 5 tips for them to be selected in VSHR Pro Academy culture?
Yes, as before I mentioned, the first one I will mention the effort. The second one will be the responsibility. The third one will be the active listening. We have to be active when listening to some words from others. And the fourth and the fifth one will be not shy to ask help and do not hesitate to giving the help. Yeah.
First, I would like to ask that what would you like to learn in this new role?
Yeah, in this new role, I would like to learn about how to lead effective teams and how to develop my sales skill, such as resilience, which are how to talk, how to have a communication with the client with a convincing aspects, and on top of that is problem solving skill.
So what challenges are you the most excited to take on?
Yeah, I'm excited to take on the action of lead my team, because as we can see in maybe in university, when we lead a team, they will have the fear of loss of grade, but in the company there's no fear of loss, so I will have to learn how to lead my team.
So, as a young leader, what do you think that is the best way for you to speed up your capability in your role?
I think there's no shortcut for this question. We have to make effort and make as lot as we can. And moreover, we have to combine the knowledge from the school, from the university, from the company, from our managers to lead the team. Yeah, to do our work.
Okay, so your tip will be 2 things. The first thing is effort, and the second thing is the knowledge that you combine from your university and also from your line manager as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so I would like to ask that how can I support you in this new role for you to become successful?
When I come to a new role, I still lack of many things. Maybe like run a meeting, I need you and Mr. John to help me. And moreover, when I have to make something and we decided something important, so we decided to make it perfect. So I need you and Mr. John to help me confirm.
So that means that in the meeting we still need the really expertise person in training in that product to help us to explain for the client. And when we have something really important need the professionalism, we still have to check around within the team to make sure that it's perfect before we sending out to the client. So, what do you think are the most important skill or quality made you be successful in this role?
For this question, I will mention 2 important skills. First one is the leadership, and second one will be the delivery skill. And for the leadership, because I come to the new role, so I will lead my team. So leadership is one of the most important skill for me. And for the second, it is about a result oriented. So I think the delivery skill will support me a lot to close as many deals as possible.
Actually I want to add more in this point. Leadership skill, currently you already have the team inside to lead other people, but in the previous role, the business development intern, you also prove yourself that you're really good at lead the project and lead the key stakeholder, even that around you don't have anyone under, but you still deliver on the job well by the discipline. So it's also the good endorsement from me for you.
Thank you for hearing that.
What area do you think that you need to focus on in order to become successful?
I think it's absolutely the result oriented.
Yeah.
Result oriented minding, because when we focus on the result, we'll make it happen, and maybe the upper manager will look at the first thing they look at is the result. Second one will be the process. So I think the result will be the most important things.
Okay. Yeah. Also great. Thank you for your sharing.